I lived in a neighborhood with a park in the center, located directly behind my back fence. The entire neighborhood was managed by the same HOA company, but the neighborhood was officially set up as two different HOA communities. Even though it was on the other side of my fence, the park was designated as part of the community I was not in. On multiple occasions, the irrigation system in the park broke and completely flooded my backyard. 3 or 4 times over a span of a few months, I woke up to literally 1.5 feet of water. Over time, my brick fire pit literally sank into the ground, an entire layer of brick. Water came into my kitchen on 2 of the occasions, and every time my home's foundation looked weaker and weaker after cleanup. I called to complain to the HOA each time. The flooding almost always happened on a weekend, and it would not be until Monday that they came out, leaving my home flooded for a minimum of 2 days each time. After the 3rd or 4th complaint, I finally reported them to the BBB and the Water Authority, and I sent a video to the local news. The next business day, the head of the HOA company called me furious. Despite all the pictures and videos I had sent, she said she was convinced I was making it all up. When I pressed her why she thought that, she specifically said it was because the park cannot be flooding your house. It's not even part of the same HOA community you live in. She's probably trying to shift the blame to the other person that manages the other half of the HOA community. But guys, I'm curious, did you ever have to deal with flooding? I remember a couple of years ago, sometimes our basement was flooded after heavy rainfall, but honestly, that's really not that common where I live. Let me know how it is for you. And on to the next story. Was moving to a different city and crashed at my dad's townhouse for a few months to save money for the move. One day, a guy showed up to install a satellite dish that my dad ordered. My dad is not the type of guy to pay very close attention to HOA rules and apparently missed a brand new and highly contentious rule that satellite dishes were eyesores and no longer allowed. So just as the installer guy is getting up to the roof, this couple, head of the HOA, comes sprinting from their townhouse across the street to shut it down, screaming bloody murder. I had absolutely no issue with not getting a satellite dish. It was not even my house, but these two HOA thugs were absolutely awful. The wife was just hurling insults at the installer guy, and I and the husband immediately started climbing the ladder up onto the roof to kick the crap out of the installer guy. None of this was provoked at all. It just went from 0 to 100 miles per hour in no time flat, and this couple was out of control. Well, the installer guy eventually had enough of having racist insults hurled at him and came down the ladder and started a full-on brawl with the husband in my dad's driveway. The wife was screaming at the top of her lungs at me, a stoned couch surfer whose only contribution to this whole fiasco was to answer a door and let a guy on the roof. I still vividly remember being absolutely dumbfounded watching these 2 grown men beat the hell out of each other while I tried to communicate to my dad on the phone over the shrill sounds of some strange woman absolutely berating me for ruining the neighborhood. For me, it's absolutely fascinating to see people get so upset over such petty little things. I'm really curious if there's even a single person in our community that would also get upset by a satellite dish on a roof, which is considered a so-called eyesore. I doubt there's even one. And the next one, on the flip side, we live in an absolutely awesome HOA. Our fees are low, $150 per month, and have gone down every year since I have lived here. The board is made of enough of my neighbors who all keep each other in check, and they take their positions on the board very seriously. We have an annual festival at the end of summer with great local food, live music and entertainment all paid for. Our neighborhood is beautifully landscaped year-round, the parks and pools are great, and the whole area is next to the schools, and we have a nice sense of community. We have a magazine that comes out 4 times a year with upcoming events and nice articles. We even have adult time at the pools during summer evenings where you can bring booze and they have live bands, as well as doggy swim days where you can bring your dogs to swim with you. A few months ago, we had a board meeting to discuss our community cable and internet contract with the local cable community. Our HOA fee covers a package deal with mid-tier cable TV, TIVO boxes, 300 Mbit per